everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to change login password on OKX wallet app. In order to change the login password on OKX wallet app, you just have to follow the steps. First of all, what you have to do is you just need to go ahead and open up a login into your OKX account. When you're logged in, that is going to take you to the interface, something like this. Right on this page, tap the tab bar icon from the top left hand side corner of your screen. As you do that, go ahead and press the email address and then swipe towards the security phase. And here you need to scroll down a bit and go to login password. As you press the login password button, now you'll be asked to type in the current password, and then only you'll be able to create a new password. And once again, you need to go ahead and confirm the new password. You have to enter the phone authentication. That means when you're done changing your password, the SMS is going to be sent, or a verification code. You have to enter that. You could also use an email address or either one of it, and then click the confirm button, and you'll be logged out of your account, indicating that you've successfully changed your login password on OKX wallet app. So that is how you can change your login password on OKX wallet app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.